African love, the chitty-cuckooda. Even after all this pain, your name still lives in my heart, like rain on a dusty road. I see your face when the sun goes down. From Harare lights to Joe's, you left my heart on a dusty road. Now I carry love like a heavy load. You said forever, then you walked away. But when the night wind calls your name, I find myself loving you again. I should let go, but I don't know how. Your memory still follows me now. Every sunset brings you near, even when you're not here. I still love you, my African love. You're the sweetest pain I ever knew. I still call you when the nights get cold. My heart won't leave what my hands can hold. Combi bus songs still sound like you. Old street corners still know your name. I tried to smile, I tried to move, but my heart keeps calling you again. Maybe you're happy in another place. Maybe she's holding my favorite space. But if your heart still remembers me, come back like rain on a thirsty street. Come back like rain on a thirsty street. If love was a road, I'd walk to you. Through every town I ever knew, I gave you my heart, you gave me goodbye. Still I see your face in the evening sky. I try to forget you, but the feelings stay. I try to release you, but my heart still prays. African love, I still feel the same. Even after all the pain, I still love you anyway. I should let go, but I